Hey y'all, what's up? Excuse how I look. I'm pending plans for the day. Of course, you know, everybody has to have a bad hair day. That's what's kind of going on under here. I'll let y'all see. It's just, my hair's red and I dyed it. And, you know, I bleached it. Hold on real quick. This is Ziling hair, but the sewing itself is under construction. So that's why I'm here today, back with y'all for a video. I've been gone for a long time. I got videos I have to edit from like March. It's what, September? Yeah, I gotta edit videos from my Chicago mini vlog. I gotta edit other videos that I had. But I've been procrastinating on editing them because I really didn't like how I did the vlog. Blah, blah, blah. But this is a real fresh unboxing. Package just came 2 seconds ago. More Ziling hair. And look, it's a cute little box. They kind of stepping up their game. Oh, Amazon goes gold because kids can't fight cancer alone. Isn't that cute? Speaking of that, y'all, I really just bought... Okay, anyways, that's gonna be another video. I promise I'm finna make another video after this. But it's a fresh unboxing. Let me get some scissors. Y'all, I finally bought my own scissors. I've been through a lot. Not through a lot, but that'll be the next video. Let me open this box. I'm so happy because it says delivery. This was Prime. So, it says delivery by 8. And it was supposed to get here yesterday, Friday the 14th. But I ordered it late on Thursday. So, I got it today, which is the original ship date. So, I kind of wasted my $3.99 shipping. But it's okay. My hair is here. Early. Oh, open the box. Open it. Should I cut the box down there? Probably will. Down the middle. I don't know about y'all, but I like packages. I like getting mail. I like getting packages. They made sure nobody broke into my box. And here we go. The pink packaging y'all seen in my last video. This is Ziling hair straight. I think I got 12-inch closure, 14, 16, 18. Probably won't use all of this because underneath I already have my hair done. I just needed to add more bundles because when I bleached and dyed, the hair kind of thinned out, but I think that was my personal fault. Came with a weaving cap. Here's my bundles, my 12-inch free part closure. Probably won't use it because I'm satisfied with the closure I have. It's just got to do a touch up under there. The 14 bundle, the 16, 18. I don't know, these bundles look kind of thin from the packaging, but let me see. It's soft. Under here I have those body weight bundles that I've been had, but because I bleached it and colored it with a door color, I went ahead and just got straight hair because I don't think the wave pattern comes back. I haven't really experimented with it because also I don't really want to wash my hair because red stuff gets everywhere. And the last time I dyed my hair, it went burgundy and I just had splat color dye in it and it just got everywhere. And I'm not trying to deal with that with my mama, so I'm trying to reduce washing my hair at home until I buy like a bucket. It's this that I opened. Yeah, the 18th. So it's gonna be cute. Yeah. I love Ziling hair because it's so affordable and it's really like good hair. The bundle's kind of thin though, but I mean, it'll do the job because 3 bundles of the body wave gave me a full look. So 3 of the straight most likely is gonna do the same thing, especially since I'm just adding hair to what I have. And I'll show y'all the final result. Maybe in this video or maybe the post updated video. But yeah, so here it goes. And like I said, yeah, I'm probably not going to use the closure. See, it's soft. Like, y'all, this is like, I love this company so much. It has a basic hair smell, but it's just hair. It could smell like corn chips. It could smell like feet, but it smells like hair. It's nothing bad. I mean, not going to pre-wash these bundles. Debating on dyeing them because I'm already red at the top, black at the bottom. I might dye one more bundle red and put it in there. But yeah, these are my bundles. I love these things. I wish they would come out with like a wig or like a curly hair, but they only have straight and body waves, so that's the only thing I hate about the company. But like I said, the hair under here, it's still in good condition. I just think I probably bleached it too long, or I need to condition it a little bit more, but it's still holding up, and I ordered it in like earlier this year, so it was still doing good. I'll probably go get some silicone mix and pop it back and show y'all what it look like. But this is the 14. It's the 18. Of course, it has a bench shape spinning packaging. Maybe one day I'll order 4 bundles, but they only have them in 3. But this is pretty much okay. So 14, 16, and 18. So it's gonna give me a pretty standard length. I don't want anything too long yet. But here's the hair. I'm sure the curls are gonna hold just by touching how it is down. The curls are gonna hold. The curls held in my body wave when I did it with some flexi rods. The cheap ones. If it held with if that hair holds with Dollar Tree flexi rods, it's good hair. But yeah, I don't know. It's gonna probably be a little thin. I would probably prefer another bundle. But like I said, I'm just adding it with this, so it's most likely gonna be okay. But yeah, this is my Ziling hair review. Oh, I want to open the closure. Probably not gonna use the closure. If I do, I will update. I will drop an update. I'm trying to get back to YouTube. I've just been working. Ooh, that closure is sexy. Look at this. I already have an old closure in my closet, which is bleached and purified. One that's in my head, and this will be my 3rd closure. So, yeah. My first closure I ever ordered was Unice. I have a Ziling closure now, and this is my straight Ziling closure. This looks kind of long for a 12-inch to me. Because I got a 10-inch now, so. Ooh. These closures are thick, though. Like, you have to go in and really, like, pluck. No, actually, this isn't a Ziling closure. That's a Grand Nature closure in here. And I'll drop the link for everything once I do the updated video. But, yeah. This one, I really don't think I'm a bleach. Yeah, it's kind of, let's see it. It's so freaking thick. Yeah, I'm not gonna bleach it. I can see that. It's hard because the hair is like super duper thick. But yeah, that's a better look at it. Can't see it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. It's my quick video. Probably not gonna update it, just probably gonna cut the front of the video out just a little. And yeah, thanks for watching.